Welcome to Canbook, your simple and smart partner for managing clients, services, and bookings. In this video, we'll learn how to add a new service. Whether you run a salon, spa, fitness center, or studio, adding services makes them visible and bookable online. Let's get started. Open the Add Service page from your business dashboard, click Services in the left menu. You'll see your service list, or an empty screen if you're new. Click Add Service to start creating a new one. Fill basic details in the Basic Details section. Service name. Enter a clear name like haircut, facial, or yoga session. Category. Select an existing category or create a new one to organize your services. Description. Optional. Briefly explain what the service includes. Price. Set your price. Minimum 99 rupees. Enable Starts At if the price varies by options. Duration. Select how long the service takes so Canbook can schedule it properly. Remember, name and price are required before saving. Advanced Settings. Scroll down to Advanced Settings. Service Status. Turn on to make the service visible for booking. Service Images. Upload photos to make the service more attractive. Smart Options. Make your service smarter with additional options. Adaptive Pricing. Set different prices for different days or times. Manual Booking Confirmation. Approve bookings yourself if needed. Advance Payment. Ask customers to pay a % upfront. Available for verified businesses. Time and availability. Multiple time slots. Allow customers to book consecutive time blocks for longer sessions. Limit to specific calendars. Choose which staff or locations offer this service. Minimum notice time. Set how early customers must book in advance. Once all details are entered, click Save. Your new service will appear in the list, ready for customers to view and book. And that's it! Your service is now live on Canbook. By keeping your services clear, detailed, and updated, you make it easier for customers to book confidently and quickly. Canbook, your business simplified.